Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. So I'm kind of excited to show you. I learned how to make a bow, a bow tie. I learned how to make a bow tie. So I'm not sure if you all know how to make a bow tie, but I'm going to show you quick because I'm going to use them on our little carrot ducks that we made here at the Crafty Decorator. Okay, you can make them any size you want. This is 1.5 inch ribbon. And I got this ribbon last year for 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. I kind of folded my ribbon to see what size bow tie I wanted. So I'm going to cut an 8-inch piece. I'm going to cut an 8-inch piece. And they say run a lighter across so it doesn't fray on you. So I ran a lighter across the end. I already have the other end done. Then you're going to want to fold your ribbon in half because you want to make a crease. Make a crease. Make sure I'm even here. Then take your hot glue and run some hot glue down your fold. Then take your ends and fold them into your crease, to your hot glue there. Okay, so you're looking like this right here. Then add a dab of hot glue in the center where you're glued together. Add a drop of hot glue in there. And then fold your ribbon this way and pinch it. So like this, just like that. Then, I feel like I didn't make it even. Let me just see. I'm gonna pull it apart. I gotta pull it apart and add another drop. I feel like I didn't make it even. Okay, let's see. It looked even when I did it. Okay. I'm back to this again. Okay, then, see, it still don't look even, but it's okay. All right, then you're gonna add a drop of hot glue in the center there and fold this piece down. So it's like this now with my glue strings. Then you're going to go to the opposite side, add a dot of hot glue in the center there, and fold this piece down. So now you're looking like this, see? Then you're going to want to take a 1.5-inch piece. Let me run my lighter on this part. Then I want a 1.5-inch piece. And then you're going to add hot glue in the center. Fold it in half again, like this, and make a crease. Then add your hot glue in the center, just like we did for the other part, and fold in your pieces. So now you have a piece that looks like this. We are going to wrap this around here, around the middle of your bow, and glue it to the back. So I add some hot glue in the center there. Like that. And I'm going to glue down one end. I'm holding it on there because my glue is hot. Okay, now we have to glue down the other side, the other end. So I am going to add hot glue to that end piece, and I'm going to bring it around and glue it down. Like this. Look, now we have a bow tie. I got to get rid of my glue strings. We have a bow tie. How cute is that bow tie? All right, now I'm going to show you how cute it is. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the back here and glue this onto my chickie. Look at how cute is this? Okay, I was really excited. I learned how to make a bow tie today. Okay, just thought I'd share it all with you. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.